Hey, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
At every Walker family reunion, the World Championship Obstacle Course is always a highlight. And this year, we have really raised the bar.
Yeah, this event has come a long way since we ran our very first obstacle course almost 25 years ago.
Will Merrick is the mastermind behind the obstacle course this year. Let's go see what we can learn from him.
Hey, Will.
Hey, Tom.
So many of our viewers are familiar with the Walker World Championship event that we've had in the past. What's different about this time?
Well, take everything you know about the Walker Obstacle Course and crank it up to 11. We've got a brand new course on its own track here at the factory grounds. We've got a really nice new scoring system and a killer standings tower and a booming sound system.
Awesome, this is really great. So tell the viewers how it's going to work during the reunion.
We're going to run qualifying runs all day Friday and through noon on Saturday. And then in the early afternoon on Saturday, we'll run the semifinals. That's the top 25 qualifiers. At 1:30 p.m. on Saturday, July 14th, right here at the Walker Family Reunion, we're going to run the finals. That's the top 10 finalists. We're going to give away great prizes like $250 Walkerware gift cards. We've got medals, we've got trophies, and the top 3 finishers are going to be able to take home their very own Walker Mower.
Wait, did you just say the top 3 finishers get to take home their own Walker Mower?
That's what I said.
You mean like a model of a Walker Mower?
No, Tom, a real Walker Mower.
You mean like one that they can actually drive?
And even mow it.
Wow, that's awesome. And everyone who runs the World Championship Obstacle Course will get one of these sweet t-shirts.
Wow, the reunion is already stacking up to be amazing. But I think the Walker World Championship event seals the deal.
If for some reason you haven't yet registered for the Walker Family Reunion, go to walker.com/reunion today and get your tickets.
We'll see you in a few weeks.